Good morning. I wanted to go over the medical necessity assignment that is due this week. So you will be logging into a HEMA lab. From there, you're going to go to authentic patient cases and then select the inpatient cases. You're going to look for cases 400078 and 400091. And for each of these cases, you're going to use the template that is provided, and you're going to provide a description of each of the codes that is given, so the diagnosis codes and the procedures. Do you agree or disagree with the codes provided, meaning are the codes right for the scenario that you're reviewing? And do they support medical necessity, meaning does the diagnosis given support the procedures? So let's take a look at the actual template that you'll be using. So on each of these, this is the template that you'll use. You're going to tell me, what does M12262 mean, and what do these procedures mean? And then what you're going to do is tell me, does the procedure here support medical necessity, meaning does the diagnosis codes given support the procedure that is given? And then you're going to explain why or why not. Same thing with this on the codes given for the procedures. Do any of these diagnosis codes support the procedures done? Just let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.